right, backyard buddies, look what I did. I made a pile of lots of sticks that are all about the same size. I took longer sticks and just cracked them into smaller pieces. And here's one game that we're going to play. I'm going to pick a stick out of the pile. Here's a real nice one. Now, we've been working on using our senses. Let's take a look at this stick real close. It's got some bumps on it. It looks like the bark is coming off a little bit there. Looks like the end is broken and real rough. Now, do you think that you could find our stick? Oops, I dropped it. If we put it together with a few other ones? Why don't we try that? I'm going to bring it over here. Let me grab 2 more sticks out of our pile, and I'm going to mix them up. Okay, can you tell which of the 3 sticks is the stick that we used and picked out originally? I think it's this one, don't you? This one looks a lot like it, but it looks like the bark is different. I see stripes on this bark, and there's no stripes on this stick, is there? This one doesn't look anything like what we started out with. All right, let's make it a little more difficult. I'm gonna pick 2 more sticks and mix them all up. Why don't I put them down? Can you pick out which was the stick we originally started with? If you chose this one, you are correct. What do you say we make it even more difficult? This time I'm going to pick 5 more sticks. And let's mix them all up. And I'll lay them out. Let's see if we can pick out which is our stick. Can you see which one might be our stick? You know, I've got my lovely assistant Sarah helping me today. Sarah, can you pick out which one is ours? Oh, I think you're right. Look at it. It's got the bumps and it's got that little piece of bark that's falling off and the end that's real rough. What a fun game. See if you can try that at your house. Now, another game that you could play with these smaller sticks is to build a stick tower and see how tall you can build the tower. You're going to start out with 2 sticks like this and then put the other 2 sticks on top of those to make a square, and then lay 2 more this way. Whoops. And 2 more the other way. And 2 this way, and 2 the other way, and keep going to see how big you can make this tower. You may actually run out of sticks if you get it super tall. Ooh, that's starting to fall, isn't it? All right, so those are 2 different games. We're going to try a couple other ones out in a minute.